On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammad Buhari don receive UNGA Presido Mohammed Tijani Bande for State House. Unto the matter wey concern displaced people, that na people wey insurgency matter or flood katakata don affect, Presido Muhammad Buhari no happy on top this one, sake of say these people no sabi where dem come from, or dem no even sabi dem mama or papa dem, and at this one na im make am come talk say time don reach for the country to do better thing for them, as this one go still help the country. Now unto this matter, na im come tell United Nations General Assembly UNGA say make dem make people sabi the matter, the one wey dey concern Nigeria, make solution make for dey. Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk this one when he receive UNGA Presido for State House, as he come salute the work wey UNGA Presido Professor Mohammed Tijani Bande dey do, as he tell am say federal government ready work well on top education, healthcare, and other matter, the one wey go tanda Naija people life well. UNGA Presido Professor Mohammed Tijani Bande bin come State House to control wey aliens give Naija Presido and Naija people on top the support wey im get on top im election wey he take tanda put as UNGA Presido and the corporate matter wey im dey get for Nigeria. He come still talk say dem ready work well on top SDG, that na sustainable development goals, the one wey go help the countries dem tanda well. He come still salute Naija unto the better renovate matter wey shele for United Nations building, the one wey dey Abuja, wey Boko Haram wey be scatter.
Everything that was promised me in terms of personnel and funds was given, and I have therefore every reason to make sure that at the end of the day, what we promised to achieve, we have achieved. Of course, a lot is dependent on what cooperation we're able to obtain from other member states. And I would like to say that the support so far has been very encouraging. And our focus, as has been stated repeatedly, is on the implementation of the agreed to sustainable development goals. And a lot needs to be done in relation to the matter. First, whether you are dealing with quality education or zero hunger or climate action or inclusion.
Now here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today, as UNGA Presido Professor Mohammed Tijani Bande don waka go State House Abuja to go visit Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari, as dem talk up many matter, the one wey concern Naija people. Make una no come forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey yarn and dey give una, and to continue to dey get this ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.